Everybody is looking for a healthier life. Start yours with us. Like, comment, and subscribe for your journey to wellness. Let's embrace nature's wisdom together. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Got a busy day but still want to eat something healthy and delicious? Today, I'm sharing a super quick and healthy chili recipe that's perfect for those hectic days. Let's dive in. First, grab a large pot and heat a tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat. Add in 1 diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Sauté until they're soft and fragrant. Smells amazing already. Next, toss in 1 pound of lean ground turkey. Cook until it's browned and no longer pink. Lean protein, check. Now it's time to add your veggies. I'm using 1 diced bell pepper, 1 chopped zucchini, and 1 cup of corn. Feel free to mix and match with your favorites. Stir everything together and cook for about 5 minutes. For the spices, we're going with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir to coat everything in those delicious spices. Next, pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of black beans, both undrained. This adds a great texture and makes the chili hearty. Stir it all up. Allow the chili to simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to clean up and set the table. Or, if you're like me, maybe sneak in a quick workout. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Ladle your chili into bowls and top with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or some shredded cheese. Yum! And there you have it, a quick, healthy chili that's perfect for busy days. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your chili turned out. See you next time. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.